Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So Christmas is all done now and it's time to put all of the decorations away. So I thought I would film today for you because we are doing a major declutter and getting rid of all of the decorations. I've actually bought some boxes this year. Do you remember last year? If you watched my video last year, I literally put everything in plastic bags and that was like not a mistake because it literally only goes up in the loft, but it's so much easier having plastic boxes. So this morning I went to Pound Stretcher, got a few boxes. I don't know if I've got enough, but I've got enough for like the more delicate things, if that makes sense. So I'm going to start packing up. I'm going to start doing the kitchen and dining room first. This is what the kitchen and dining room is looking like. I've had loads of washing on. I've got one in there, I've got one in the dryer drying at the minute. Everything is just a mess, but it's not too bad considering Christmas was a few days ago. So yeah, these are my boxes. These are going to be for the smaller items and some baubles on this tree in here, and then I've got a couple of bigger boxes for the other tree as well. So yeah, let's get started. You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound, and when I fall you've tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings, but now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up on my feet. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself. Box one of a gazillion done. We just need to put the tree away now, but I need to get the box from the loft and also put these little bits away too.
What is it, Ramsey? Snow?
Huh?
Snow? Snow on the floor?
What?
Down here. Look.
You just took it down Christmas tree.
Right, so in this little room we've got quite a few bits on the shelves that we need to take down at Christmassy. So I'm going to take all those down. You're pushing me up to the top. I saw the clouds looking angry, but then the sky. Right, so this is what the tree is looking like. So I'm going to put all of the baubles in this box. I've got a bigger box here for these ones. There's some games on the floor still, and all of these that need to go away. Time to turn the lights off now. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You cut me loose. Right, so I'm just putting things like this away, like ornaments. One thing I will say is take the batteries out because it can break it. And sometimes they go all funny if they've been in there for a long time and then they don't work, because that's what happened with our snow globe last year. This one down here, we left the batteries in it and then now it doesn't work anymore. Here we go, look, this is what happened because we left the batteries in. I didn't even realise that that would happen. I'm not sure if there's a way we can fix it, but I just thought I'd mention, take all of the batteries out of anything. You probably already do it. I was probably being silly, but it's definitely worth taking out for sure, especially if you've got expensive things like this. Right, so that is the tree all bare now, and I just need Mark to come and help me put it away in the box. So we're literally going to put it in this box. Next year I want to buy a plastic one, but this one's still in okay nick, so I think we'll just put it in there for now, so that's fine. And then I just need to take these down as well.
So I don't know if you saw our video from last year when we did our decluttering, but all this stuff was in the study, and this is how much stuff we got to get rid of now. Oh Lord. To be fair, it's probably a similar amount of last year actually, but just got to organise it now because we take it all down to the tip. What a freaking nightmare.
Right, so the next big thing to take down is this garland. I think I might need Mark to help me with this actually. I don't know if I'm going to be able to just take it off with the baubles on without them falling off. I think they probably will fall off actually. First I need to clear everything. It's such a mess. That room is a mess. That just looks worse because of all of the toys. Like guys, what do you do with all of your toys after Christmas?
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kind of like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you.
So this is our current situation. We've got boxes here, everywhere. This is way more than we've ever had.
I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock them down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane. You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way, what can I say?
Okay, so the living room is all done now. The tree is all gone. Everything's been hoovered and cleaned. It's just nice to clear it all out after Christmas, I think. So it looks a bit bare. All of the toys are gone, but there's a lot of toys in here now. Hi guys, so it's a little bit later on now. Mark is upstairs doing the hoovering for me. I have just finished the living room and now basically all I've got to do is kind of wipe down all of the surfaces and stuff and mop the floors as well in the kitchen. But yeah, there's not too much left to do. There was so much stuff we had to put away this year. Like, look at my face, all my makeup's come off. But yeah, we had so much more stuff this year to put away, so it's pretty much all in the loft now. I think we've just got the Christmas tree to put up in the loft now, but I couldn't help Mark with that because that's a little bit too heavy. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know when you take all of your Christmas decorations down. We do take ours down a little bit earlier than usual because we get them up so early. But yeah, thank you so much for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you all in my next video.